So welcome back to my channel. Obviously you already know me since this is my channel, but in case you haven't met me, I'm Harley, and today I'm in Everest's room, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a little activity for your kids. The girls are both currently asleep, so I might edit them actually doing the activity later on, but for now I'm just going to show you how to do it. So what you will need is distilled white vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring. Also, I have this and this to actually put it in, but you can use whatever you want. Okay, pardon the angle, but this is the best way of showing you how to actually do it. I'm back. I got something to baking soda on to make this a little bit easier to show you. So first I'm going to take some baking soda. We're not going to need that much, but there. And I'm going to take some white vinegar and dump it in. That's about enough. It's optional, but for this purpose we are going to. I'm going to be taking the blue. I put the blue and just dropped a couple droplets in there, and now I'm just swirling it like this. I'm going to set this aside. Baking soda. I'm going to add a couple drops of red. I'm also going to take this water bottle and just put a little water in there. You just want to make it into a little paste. You can see we're just going to take a big handful and see, as you dump the red in, not only are you watching a chemical reaction, but you are also watching color changing. So this is teaching your kids about colors, chemical reactions, components, and also fun. Today's craft, whoa, the lighting is like everywhere. I hope you like today's little craft sensory toy game thing. Do not leave your kids unattended with this stuff. This is just what we do at my house. Everyone's house may be different. Yeah, my kids really enjoy this stuff, and I thought I'd share with you guys in case you want to do something. Please like and subscribe. It would help my channel a lot. You can check out my Instagram. Follow me if you want. Comment below if you want to see more stuff or like whatever. Have a great day. Peace out.